Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is December 20, 2014 and I'm with Naga-Emily and then Sharapi. So we're still waiting for Seth without the ate. Madam.
The mother, the madam, the royal family. Speaking of
Blur! Bakit ka blur? Hi!
Hi guys!
Love the outfit.
Merry Christmas!
medyo lahiya ako, pero okay lang. Okay lang. Ano ba sabi mo?
Hello guys, Merry Christmas! Mag-picture lang. Hi guys!
Paano nila?
Formal.
Hi guys, Merry Christmas! Gaya-gaya.
Lippy of the night. Off-brand lipstick on the Atlantic City. Available at Market Store.
Salute to Madam, the endorser. But here all are gifts. Plus this one! O diba, lahat sila nag-prepare ng wrapping things. But me, OMG, I'm so happy. My favorite, blue mussel pasta. We have here fish and chips. And then, spaghetti carbonara. Better late than never. What's this? Anong name?
Tenderloin.
Tenderloin. Yeah. And this is, itong appetizer. Tada! Cheers! Scripted na siya. Hoy, scripted to. Scripted. Take two. Ay, ikaw na lang magsabi ng cheers. Kasi medyo scripted ako magsabi ng cheers.
As in, cheers! Merry Christmas!
Yay! We just finished eating and we're still chatting here with the girls. I'm a little bit red. Medyo red na.
No.
Not yet, okay. But yeah, we're heading to the Masa after, so I hope I can vlog later and yeah. We're all excited, so I'll see you guys later.
So it's time for us to do the Kris Kringle. Kanta naman dyan. Wow, falsetto. Yan, so here are the prizes. Prizes talaga. Di ba bullet mo? Pang-kabayan showcase. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yan. And then we had a selfie. Bago lang. Super nice, although big head ako, pero it's okay. Ta-da! Love it. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 people are people. Yeah. Okay. People are people na lalagyan lang. And the rest na, effort sila nag-grab. Ako wala lang. May parang lagay lang dyan, di ba? OMG. Kumabunod na yung mga mo. Exchange. Okay, basta wag lang 1. Wag 1 akin. Oh my god! Malaman na, 1 akin. Ulit tayo, ulit lahat. Okay, sorry. Oh my god. Okay, okay na ako. Okay lang ako. Turn it around. 4. Number 4. Wala po ako ni. Ako ang pulutan. For the millionth time, sino ang mga na-winners? Ito. Bunot. Okay. Joanne, uy. Joanne mang kaulim. Ayan. Okay, so we're taking so much time, but it's okay. Because we're not feeling it. Yeah. The final draw. Okay, isa-isa mo na. Okay. Is that your number or no? Now it's... Wala na. Made you cry. I guess it's time. Nani ko sila sa film eh. Join kami. Okay, maybe. So hard to turn the whole world upside down. Oh my god, tagal mag-over. Yours? Oh! My turn. Wait lang. Okay. Tapos ikaw pala ang... Number 2. Okay! So, 1.
With that food. Happy hour 2. Yung. Thank you so much, Shappy. I have an organizer. Finally, I can fix my mess. What did you get, Char?
I'm
Sorry. Ano na-receive mo? Hongi. Ay, okay, sorry. Okay. Ayan.
Thank you,
I
Carla.
hope you like it. Ayan. Where's your gift? It's the same thing.
Meant to be.
Yeah, meant to be. And plancha, perfect for Doctora. Oh, diba? So we're now heading out to go to Damosa to get some drinks, hopefully. Sige. One last time. gihapon akong raffle. Study sila, walang problema. Lights on, diba? Relax, relax lang. K-pop. Blur, blur, blur. Blur, blur. So, we have moved on from partying. Woo! Ay, tanggal na naman yung buttons ko. We said slide, but we're heading to McDonald's. Malapit lang naman dito. Malapit lang naman, mga ilang steps lang.
It's around like maybe 20 steps away from.
Yeah, so, and it is 1:31 in the morning. Good morning. Good morning, Merry Christmas. Maayong buntag. Sorry lang, madam ha. Raffles maya ka. But yeah. Good morning. Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. McDonald's, we're here. No, kapag kitiguang na to, my gosh. I feel old. McDonald's and the Ruffles is going out.
She's gone. She's
Yeah. We're gonna order. I want ice cream. Yeah. We're having white chocolate McFlurry, regular fries. Yeah. It's currently 3:24 in the morning, but advanced no rin ako. And we're still chit-chatting with Mega and Lim, Shanapi, and me. So yeah, life chica, all about life. All about teeth. Cosmo Guru.
Sex guru.
Collector of a monthly Cosmo magazine. What can you say to the public regarding, you know, learning?
Basta dyan mo Cosmo. Naghalip ng kapunan. Ng mga kuwan sa kinabuhi. Pamuyo sa kinabuhi.
Subtitle please.
Ayaw bitang i-upload, Carl.
I-upload na ko.
Ayaw lagi.
Yun sa kasabot.
Upload kay guwapa kay kadira.
Yeah, oh. Intak ka ano.
Basta lagi ka ng kung anong hugs na anong palit ng kagwapa.
So we're currently booking a taxi.
Ako ni, bye-bye.
Okay, bye, Shanapi! Yan na, dumating na ang kanyang taxi.
Bye-bye.
Mine is still 6 minutes away. 6 minutes away pa si Koya. Bakit walang name? Ayan, Jerry Haldos. 6 minutes away? Why?